Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nancy Stanley, physical therapist, life and health coach, and I'm here this morning cooking some greens and I want to show you. So let me flip this around. So I bought these, they're not organic. I've yet to be able to find organic collard greens, but here they go. They were buy one get one free. So for $1.99 we're going to get a lot of vitamin B. And so what I do is I take my avocado oil, here we go, I pour it in the pan, probably about 4 tablespoons for this much greens, and I dump the greens, I let it get hot, and then I dump the greens over in there, and I take my tongs and I just start flipping. And what happens is they start wilting on the bottom, so you have to flip from the bottom now. If you don't, they'll burn. So I've turned I turn it down to, about medium high. If you have it on high, you'll probably burn them. All right, and then I put salt. Here we go, your real salt. Make sure you're using real salt. Let's see. Well, here it is. Okay. Oops. All right, I know I'm wiggling the camera. All right, but here's the real salt. You want to use that. And then I put a little bit of maple syrup. Let me stop that. All right, this is 100% pure maple syrup. I put about 2 capfuls, so you see that's probably maybe about 2 tablespoons. But and then I just keep tossing them until they all get wilted, and then I probably added about 2 cups of water. Now, if you wash them yourself, then you're gonna have a lot of water in them, as you wash them. But these are pre-washed, and so I hope you enjoy this. This is a great way to get your greens, and then just put them in the fridge, and instead of for lunch having a sandwich, have you some greens and maybe a ham and cheese roll up. What a great thing to have to nourish your body, or maybe some scrambled eggs or whatever you could do to. Okay, so the whole deal is you want your body to perform at peak performance. And to do that, you have to put good fuel in it. Just like you wouldn't put trashy gas in your car, you're going to put good fuel in your body. And the best way to do that is to prep it, have it available, and then you're not going to be eating stuff that is not good fuel, but poison. So comment below if you do food prep and what it is you do, what you love, if you like collards. My husband didn't think he liked collards, but I started making them. I think I might add a little bit of vinegar as well, but that just kind of adds a little punch to it. But along with the maple syrup, it kind of, it's just a great blend, and it's not a lot of, it's pure sugar, so that's good. A good sweetener, maple syrup, is not like sugar that has sucrose and fructose, which is not healthy. And a lot of times your sugar is going to have high fructose corn syrup, which is definitely not a food, it's a poison. So let me hear from y'all. Post below, hit the love button if you like to cook greens, and just whatever you want to say, I'd love to hear from you. Hit the replay button if you're watching this on a replay. Hey, Alexis, good morning. Love collards, turnips, and mustard greens. Yeah, go get you some and cook them and have them available to eat. Hey, Lillian, good to see you. Thanks for joining me.